Hello, Loyal, Neil, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So last time we discussed IP address theory, yes or no? And today topic is which one topic today we need to discuss? Today we start our topic name is subnetting. Which one topic, dear? Subnetting. Hold on. I'm just starting my OneNote file. Where is OneNote? Yeah, this one. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Open and test 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this one. So close this one. Yeah. Add one more. Okay. Topic name is subnetting. So write on this side. Topic name is subnetting. View rules. Okay. Now. So basically, if someone asking why we use subnetting topic in my production network and which scenario we required a subnetting. So subnetting we perform first thing always remember subnetting perform in IPv4 address. We perform subnetting only IPv4 address. Why we perform subnetting? Subnetting concept help to break, or you can say divide a big network into small networks as per requirement. One more thing, subnetting always perform in subnet mask, not any IP address, only subnet mask. So basically, if you need to learn a subnetting, must be clear subnet mask. Which one subnet mask must be know? Default subnet mask. Which class of default subnet mask required? Class A, class B, and class C. So if someone asking class A subnet mask, so class A default subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. That means 1 octet fixed and 3 octet free to use. Class B 255.255.0.0. 2 octet fixed, 2 octet free. 255, 255, 255.0. So right now, every class we discuss subnetting, but before start a subnetting, must be clear a subnetting formula. So this one is subnetting formula. This formula developed by me. Okay. So first thing you need to learn about decimal value. Convert into binary. Second thing, borrow bit. Then third number, default subnet mask convert into custom subnet mask. Fourth number, increment value. Then fifth number, a block. Basically, if you get a block option, if you reach fifth number option block, so in block we are getting a 3 brothers. First, we are getting network address. Then second, we are getting valid IP address. And third number, we are getting a broadcast address. Clear? So network address, valid IP, and broadcast. Now, first we learn decimal to binary, and which one value we are calling decimal. So first point, we need to learn decimal. Decimal means it's a numerical values. Clear? And if someone asking what is the meaning of binary, binary means 0 or 1. So basically, if you want to learn decimal to binary, how to make a decimal to binary, so we start from 4-bit concept. In 4-bit concept, how many values we are getting? If we are saying I am available 4 bits, I am having 4 bits. So 0, 1, 2, and 3. So total is how many values? 4 values. And put 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 2 power 0 means 1, 2, 4, and then 8. Very good. Now create a box. In this box must be fit a first value is higher. So higher value from this 4 values, which one? 8. Then lower 4. Then lower 2. Then lower 1. Oh, very good. Clear? Now one more thing. If someone says 0 means off and 1 means on. So both are different. 0 means off and 1 means on. And now, if I'm saying I'm having a 1 value in decimal. So in binary, how to say? So 8 is higher than 1 or lower than? Higher or lower? So 8 is higher. So that means we are not using 0. 4 is also higher, 0. 2 is also higher, 0. And 1 is equal. So we can say enable. So 1 decimal to binary. Easily we convert. Now, if you're having a 3, then 0, 0, 1, 1. 2 or 1 is 3 now. If you are having 7 decimal value, so what is the binary? 0, 1, 1, 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1. How many values? 7. Okay. If you are getting 11, so how to make loyal need? How to make 11? Any idea?
1 0 1 1.
1
1 0 1 1.
1 1. Very good. If I am having a 14, 1
1 1 1 0.
0. If you are having a 16, for example, if you are having a 16, so possible to convert binary. First, you need to verify.
No.
No, because if you total your all values 8, 4, 2, 1, so I'm getting only 15. Total is 15.
16.
So 15, 15.
15. Yeah, sorry.
In between 1 to 15 decimal value are possible to convert binary. But if you're having a more than 15, so you need to increase your number of bits. Then we are getting a values. So right now 4-bit concept is clear, decimal to binary. Now next task. In IPv4 address, in 1 octet, anyone know how many bits available in 1 octet? For example, this one is my 1 octet, and how many values available? 8 bit. 8 bit means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and which one value? 128. Now create a box. So which one is first higher value? Which one is first higher value?
128.
128. Then 64. Then 32. 16. 8. 421. Very good. Now, if you total all values, so we are getting a 255. So in between 1 to 255 values possible to convert decimal to binary. So if I'm saying, brother, if you're having a decimal value is 6, so how to convert binary? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Very good. If I'm saying if you're having a 9 decimal value, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So only make a 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. If I am having a 19 value, then 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. 16 plus 2, 18 plus 1, 19. If you are having 37, so which one value? On off. Which one value? 128 is 0 or 1? 37. 0,
0,
1.
0, 0, 0. Oh, 1.
32 plus 4 is 36, 0 and 1. Now, if I am having, for example, 68, then 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 60 plus 64 plus 4, 68 now. If I'm saying if you're having 131, so which one? 1, 0, 0, 32, 16, 0, 8, 0. Yes or no? 4, 0, 2, 1 is enable. So this thing is clear. Any doubt? Decimal to binary.
No, question here. Why did you put 1 and 1 and 2 and 1?
Which one?
The last one. Last one.
Okay, 128 plus 2, 130 and plus 1. How many?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. Now, so decimal to binary task is complete. Now we need to discuss second concept. Second concept means a borrow bit. Okay, borrow bit means we discuss. Okay, this value is my first position. This value is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So how many values we are getting total, dear? How many values total in 8 bits? 8 values. Now, if you are having a 6 value decimal, so if you convert into binary, so which one, if you are coming from this side, so which one is first on bit? Which one is first on bit? Coming. So fourth number is first on value. Yes or no? So which value is on first? 4. 4 value available on which one value? Which one position number? 4 value. Position number is how many? 3. So we are saying for 6, a borrow bit is how many? 3. If you say, if I am having a 9, if I am converting in decimal to binary, so which value is first on? Loyal need from coming this side. Which value is first on bit?
8.
This side. 8. 8 available on which one position number? Verify.
4.
Fourth number. So borrow bit is my
4.
4. 19. Which one is my borrow bit?
65.
5. For 37, which one is borrow bit?
6.
68. Which one is borrow bit?
68, there's no borrow bit. Yes, 7. No, okay.
7 na? We are.
Yeah, 7. Correct. Yeah.
Clear?
131 is 8. Yeah.
131 is which one borrow bit? 8. Any issue borrow bit? Only check first on bit. Which position number? Done? So second task is also done. Now third thing, we need to learn default to custom. We discuss one by one. Hold on. So if you need to learn a subnetting part, so we start subnetting But first must be clear, subnetting we are doing a two purpose. One is for host. Host means for user IP. If your network admin say, I need some IP address, so use this concept for host concept. If network admin say, I need some groups for different departments. So we are using a which one concept here? Network. Network means you can say subnet, or you can say group also. Done. So host concept is different, network concept is different. We discuss both concept with class A, with class B, with class C. But we learn from class C, class B, then class A. We learn reverse. Okay, one by one. Now, first we complete host concept, then second lecture we complete network concept, one by one. If you are receiving email, in email, network admin say 10 users IP address required. How many IP address required, dear? Read the email.
10 users.
10 users. Okay. And only provide from which class? Network admin say class C. And always use this group address. Network admin will define this group address. This address 192.1.1.0. Use this group address. So this email receive from network admin. And now your work is start. So first you need to verify how many numbers of user IP required here? 10. And my subnetting rule is first decimal to which one? Binary. In class C, how many octet free? Only one. So in one octet, how many values come out? We already done now.
255, 255,
128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. And my decimal value is 10. So please convert into binary 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So decimal to binary is done. Second task, subnetting rule. Borrow. Anyone know borrow bit how many we are getting? Borrow bit. For 10, which one is borrow bit? If you are coming from this one, position number.
2.
No, again verify. This one is first value, second value, third value, fourth value, fifth value, sixth value, seventh value, eighth value. So borrow bit means only verify position number of first on bit. First on bit, this one. And which one position number? 4. So borrow bit is 4. Now next thing. Next task. Which one, dear? DSM. DSM means default subnet mask. Convert into customized subnet mask as per your requirement. So class C default subnet mask, anyone know? 255.255.255.0. Okay. Now one more thing. This 0 we are calling a 1 octet. This one is my octet now. In 1 octet, how many bits present? 8 bits. So this octet we are calling a free octet now. So right now we can put default subnet mask this type 255, 255, 255. In this 1 octet, how many bits available? 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one represent your octets. Clear? 8 bits. Now next thing. Next thing is we are doing which one concept here? Host concept or network concept or group? Network is group or subnet we can say. But right now we are doing a which one concept? User IP. Users means host. If you are doing a host concept, bits must be off. Off means dear 0. And how many borrow bits we are getting? Anyone know how many borrow bits? How many borrow bits? 4.
8.
4. 4. If I'm using this octet default subnet mask by default, so we are getting a total address is 256, but we required only 10. So how many address waste? 246 without subnetting. But now we are using subnetting part. How many bits borrow? 4. Coming from this side and of your 4 bits, 0, 0, 0, 0. How many bits of value? How many bits of 4? And
Four bits.
how many remaining on?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now we done default to custom. So first octet full as it is. Second is 255, that means full. Third is full 255. But fourth octet we getting a 4 values on. So this one is your 4 values plus this 4 values, and then you are getting a value. If you are getting one value on in this octet, so 128. If you are getting a 2 values on, 192. If you are getting a 3, so 224. If you are getting a 4, 240. If you are getting a 5, 248. If you are getting a 6, 252. If you are getting a 7, 254. If you are getting a 8,
256.
255.
255, sorry.
So how many values on? How many bits on? 4. So 4 bit
4.
means which one value we are putting in fourth octet?
240. 240.
240. So custom subnet mask is ready as per your requirement. 3 step is clear. Now fourth number. Fourth number is
no, just a second, It's the requirement is 10 users, right?
yeah.
Okay, so now 255, 255, 255, and 240. So 240 will give us now more than 10 users.
Just wait. You need to
Okay.
step by step.
Oh, sorry. Okay, go ahead.
3 step is clear. Decimal to binary, borrow, default subnet mask into convert into custom. Now fourth number is increment. Increment is fixed value. 256 is fixed value, always minus. How many? Which one octet not a fulfill in your subnet mask? Which one octet is not full?
Fourth octet.
Fourth number octet value is 240. So 256 is fixed value and minus your not fulfill octet. And then we are getting increment value is how many after minus? How many? 256 minus 240. So how many values come out? 16. So my increment value is 16. Always use 256 values to minus your not fulfill octet. So 240 is my not fulfill octet. Now, fifth number task is a block. In block, we are getting network address. We are getting a valid IP. We are getting broadcast address. Network address means never assign end devices. Only used to routers or routing concept. Clear? This address is never assigned on end devices, PC, laptops. Broadcast address, never assign end devices. This address only use a routing concept. Loyal need. Which one concept we are using? Routing concept. Now one more thing. Valid IPs. This address support by or assign end devices. So now we need to create a block because network admin required how many IPs dear? 10 IP. So my custom subnet mask is ready. You need to write down your custom subnet mask 255, 255, 255, 240. Because if I'm using default subnet mask, so we are getting a 256 address. That is the reason. And network admin already assigned a group address. Group address means network address. Which one address? 192.1.1.0. Can you please verify loyal need? In this address, how many octet available? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Can you please verify in your custom subnet mask how many octet full or how many octet free? How many octet full or how many octet free?
3 octet full.
3 octet full. So right now, a network admin forward this address in email. So already 3 octet having a values 192.1.1. But 4th octet we are getting any value?
No, zero.
If we are getting any value, for example 8. So this side we are getting a 240. We need to put 0 because 0 means this octet a free. Free means we can use. So right now 192.1.1.0. This one is my which one address, dear? First network address. We required a valid IP. We required broadcast. So how to get 192.1.1? 3 octet is already full. And 4th octet increment value. Which one is my increment value? 16. And before 16, which one value is coming? 192.1.1.15. So 15 is my which one address? Broadcast IP address. And how many valid IP available? 192.1.1.12, 192.1.1. Which one? 14. Can you please verify, brother? How many valid IP available? 1 to 14. And this address 1.16 will make another group. So my group is from this one to
Okay.
this one is my single group, or you can say single network.
Okay.
But network admin say, please send me how many total IP address provided by this subnet mask in one group. How to know? So can you please verify a short formula? It's a very simple formula. 2h minus 2. 2 power h minus 2. So how many bits off in my subnet mask? How many bits off? Anyone know how many bits off? How many bits off? Count. This one is off bit, na? How many? 4?
4.
So 2 power 4 minus 2. Why we do minus 2? Because network address or broadcast address never assign and divide. That is the reason. So not in use these two addresses. So 2 power 4 means 16 minus 2. So how many valid IP we are getting every group? How many? 14. So how many network admin required in my email? 10. But we are providing how many? 14. This one is good method because if I'm using default subnet mask, so minus 10, how many wastage? How many wastage? 246. But right now, how many waste only? 4. Sometimes we need to add more end devices. So 4 IP is extra for me, but not a 246. This thing is clear. 10 IP concept. We discuss one more question from class C. Then session is over. Wait. One more question. If you are receiving again email, in this email, network admin say, I'm required. How many IP address do you verify? How many?
50.
50. And network admin say, please provide this IPs from which class? Class C. And network admin say, use this group address, or you can say network address 192.10.10.0. Sorry. So this email available in your mailbox. So you need to resolve. So right now, subnetting rule, first formula is which one? Decimal to binary. Follow this formula easily. You can crack the subnetting. And can you please verify which class of address network admin use in group address? This one, class C, class B, class A. Which one?
Class C.
Class C in first octet free, na? 1 octet free. 1 octet means this value is coming. I think we already cracked these values. And which one is my decimal value in email? Anyone know which one is decimal? 15. So can you please convert 15 decimal value to binary? Anyone know how to convert? 15 means which one on, which one off values? 120 is on or off? 120 is on or off for 15. This one is my decimal value, na? We need to convert binary. So 0, 0. 32 is on plus 16. So total 48.
48.
0, 0,
48,
1,
0,
0.
1, 0.
So first task is done. Second task is
Borrow.
borrow. So anyone know borrow is how many bits to borrow? Which one is first on bit? Position number. Count. Which one value first on? 32. And 32 available on which position number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total is 8 values. And which one is on 32? 32 available. Which position number, dear? 6. So borrow bit is how many bits? 6. Third number, DSM to CSM. So class C default subnet mask you need to write down 255.255.255.0. In this 0, how many bits available? 8 bit. So how to represent 255.255.255 dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now next thing. How we are doing a which one concept, dear? User means host. Host means we need to do which one? Off. How many bits of borrow? How many bits borrow? 6. So 6 bit on coming from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many bits on? How many bits on? 1, 2. So now we are doing DSM to CSA. First octet full, second full, third full. In fourth octet, how many values on?
2 only.
128 plus 64. How many? 192. Verify this one. If you are getting a 2 bits on, so which one is value coming? 192, na? Now. So CSM is ready. Now fourth number task, which one? Subnetting rule. Increment value. So 256 minus. In your subnet mask, which one octet is not a full fill? Anyone know? Which one octet is not full? First octet, second octet, third octet, or fourth octet? Which one octet is not full? Anyone? Which one octet is not full? First is 255, second is 255, third is 255. That means
the fourth one, 192.
192. Very good. So minus 192. How many values come out after minus? 64. If you need any help in math, so no worry. Now, block. In block, we are getting 3 brothers, network address, valid IP. Use this formula, very simple. Broadcast address. So network admin already provide a network address, this one. But we need to cross verify. This one is valid or invalid. In your subnet mask, how many octet full, dear? 1, 2, 3. So fourth octet is already 0. So we can say this octet 0 means this one is my first network address. But we need to get valid or broadcast. So as it is this 3 octet, we need to write 192.10.10 dot. And how many values increment? 64. Before 64, which one value come out? Which one value come out, dear? 192.10.10.63. So 63 is my broadcast address. And valid 192.10.10.1 to till go to 16.2. This one is my valid. If you are sending a reply in email, so only attach this information selected. This one is my group information. And if network admin asks how many valid IP available, so use formula 2 power h minus 2. How many bits off in my subnet mask? Count. How many values? How many bits of borrow bit calculate? Now, how many borrow bits? How many borrow bits, dear? 6.
6.
So 64 minus 2. So how many valid IP in my every group? 62. So this task is done. Now need your homework because this task is complete. You need to follow this book. Hold on. Where is submitting workbook? This one. I will share this books. Okay, open Adobe Reader. Now, this workbook help to make advanced subnetting. Clear? So this one is total 58-page workbook. You can get IP address class information, which is private, default subnet mask, we'd already done. Okay, this one is which one value we need to learn, dear? Binary to decimal. It's a very simple, brother, very simple. Right now, can you please verify this one value? So 128 is off, 64 is off, 32 is off. But which one is on?
19.
16 or 2 or 1. So I think 9. You need to solve this one first. Binary to decimal. This one is multiple questions available. If you've done binary to decimal, so decimal to binary we need to learn. Then next task, address class identification. It's a very simple. This one is which class address? This one is which class of address?
C.
Class C.
Class C. Only check first octet. No need to verify 3 octets. Only first octet. Solve this one. This one is network and host identification. We already done. Circle the network portion. This one is my class C. In class C, how many octet used for network? How many octet used for network? We use 1, 2, and 3. So you need to circle this 3 octet, and 4th octet no need to circle. Okay, now next thing, this side. Circle the host portion. So this one is my which class of address, dear? Which class of address? Class C. How many octets we are using a host? Only 1. So 1 octet you need to circle. You need to find every class. Then next task is default subnet mask. So default subnet mask for this class. So this one is class B. You need to write down this one address. This one is class A. Need to write down this one. So you need to solve this task. Only how many page you need to solve? 5 page. And go through class C subnetting part. This one, 2 questions. Sometimes you are getting an email. For example, this one is your homework. You need to resolve. Email. In email required 100 IP for user. And group address is 195.7.7.0. And if you are receiving email, in email it required a 200 IP for user, and group address is 201.1.5.0. And one more email received. In this email required 40 users IP, and group address is 210.5.6.0. You need to solve these 3 questions. Clear? Loyal, Neil. Before coming tomorrow's session, must be complete these 3 questions and 5 pages. We meet again tomorrow and discuss class B, class A, host portion. Okay? Which one? Class B, class A, host portion for subnetting. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.